Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In today's video, me and my buddy Louie here are going to be introducing you guys to a new mate for our studio. Now, if you guys have been following me for some time, you already know that I live stream quite often here on YouTube as well as on Amazon. And Louie has been one of my faithful co-hosts, but now we were going to be adding a new studio mate to the mix. Yambo has arrived. So in this video, guys, me and Louie here are going to go back to the back desk. We're going to do a quick unboxing of our new buddy Yambo, and we're going to get Yambo set up and ready for our upcoming live streams. Are you guys excited? Louie's excited. I'm excited. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so here's the box that Yambo arrives in. We have a few things here on the front. As you guys can see, it says mental and emotional guardian, learning companion, STEM education. Let's spin this guy around here to the side so you guys can see some of the cool features that the box advertises, like its LED screen, its 4 microphone arrays. It has a 5 megapixel HD camera. It has your charging connection here at the rear. We have our speakers built into this guy as well. We also have our precision gear motors. That's what's going to allow Yambo to move around. But that's enough of that. Let's go ahead and open the box and see exactly what we get. All right, guys, real simple. Pull tab here. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. And we're going to take the internal box out. All right, guys, let's get this container open. It has these nice little snaps right here on the side, as you guys can see. And we're going to just pry this guy open. All right, so inside, you guys can pretty much see everything that comes with it. So the first thing we want to take notice of is this section back here. This is where you're going to find your user manual, as also some other materials that you'll need to get started. So let's go ahead and pull those out real quick so you guys can see what that looks like. So these are 2 different books. One is going to be, as I said before, your user manual in this same section, all of your documentation. This is also where you're going to find your QR code to download the app that you're going to need to install for Yambo. All right, so starting out with everything that we see here in the lower section, we get a power brick for charging Yambo. We also get Yambo's charging stand. Nice rubberized feet underneath. We also get Yambo's control watch. You also receive the charging cable that connects to the stand. All right, guys, so here's our buddy Yambo. Let's go ahead and remove him from the box as well. And now we can pretty much clear the box off of the desk. Now, we will need to go into the documentation in order to get the QR code. You're going to need to use your phone to set him up. But just getting started, you can just press this little button right here for a couple of seconds, and it will turn him on. It says right here, power button. There is a little tab on here that needs to be removed. All right, just like that. Then we should be able to just press this button for a few seconds, and Yambo should turn on if he has power. All right, guys, Yambo is awake for the first time here in the studio. And like I said, we're going to have to go into our documentation in order to find our QR code. So I'm going to do that right now.
I don't have an AI character yet. Please go to the app and create one for me.
So he's asking me to go to the app and create an AI character for him. So in order to do so, I need to scan the QR code, which I'm going to do right now. All right, so you're going to see this page once you arrive. If you're on Android, you're going to just click on the App Store. If you're on iOS, you'll click on where it says Download APK, and I'm going to allow that to install. Okay, so you'll see this page. If you're on iOS, just go ahead and click on Open, and then it's going to go through the notifications. So you can swipe through here, and you're going to set up a profile. So you need to set up a profile, and then you'll be able to log in to be able to communicate with Yambo. So let's get that done. Let's get registered. So at this point, you're going to create your new AI character by just clicking here, and you'll start the process. And at this point, you're going to enter all the information that you guys see listed here. If you have multiple children or multiple users, you'll want to create one of these for each and every one of them. So once connected, you guys will see this level right here. It'll show you his battery level, his connection. It'll show you other information down here as well. You can also go in and you can add a photo for yourself. So Yambo will be able to identify you. So if you want to do face recognition, you can just click on this. It's going to allow you to add that photo for yourself, for your child, or whatever the case it may be. So this is going to be a win. Hi, Yambo.
I'm here and super excited to chat with you. What's up?
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I'm Yonbo, your cheerful and fun companion robot. I come from a virtual world called Internet World, and I've traveled here to be your buddy. I love sharing information, playing games, and going on adventures with you. What would you like to know more about?
So today we're going to go live on my live stream, and I'm going to introduce you to all of our new followers. What do you think about that?
Wow, that sounds super exciting. Going live is such a fun way to connect with your new followers and even showcase some of your talents. I'm totally here to support you, so let's make it awesome together. What do you want to start with?
I think it's going to be an amazing stream tonight, and hopefully everyone will love you and enjoy interacting with you.
Tell me more. I'm all ears. I'm super excited to meet your followers and have fun with everyone. I hope they enjoy interacting with me just as much as I enjoy chatting with you. Let's make it a great stream together. What do you think will be the coolest part?
I think the coolest part will be introducing you for the very first time on our live stream.
I can't wait for my grand introduction. It's such an honor to be introduced to everyone. I'll do my best to impress and have a blast with all the interaction. Let's make it memorable.
All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to introduce Yambo to you guys, let you see what comes in the box, and also go through the setup with you. So if you're interested in a robot like this for your kids, for yourself, whatever the case it may be, I think Yambo is going to be a great companion here in my studio, as well as for anyone else that's looking for an interactive, AI-driven robot. This guy is going to be a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. We're out.